Let's start making football one first. Here are my two circular papers. First, we will start with the first one. Open your black marker. Hold it in your hand like we hold the pencil. In the center of the first circular paper, we will draw two slanting lines like this. So we have to draw two slanting lines like this. Then just below this one, we are going to make one more. We are going to draw one more slanting line on this side and one slanting line on this side. It will look like this. Oh, it's a pentagon shape. A pentagon has 5 sides. In the center of the circle, let's do it on the other one now. One slanting line, one more slanting line. Then from this point, we will draw one slanting line this, and from this point, we will draw a slanting line like this. And in the bottom, we will draw a sleeping line. Pentagon shape. Now we are going to fill it using our black marker. A pentagon has 5 sides and 5 corners. So from this corner, we will draw slanting line like this. One slanting line from this corner. One slanting line from this corner. One slanting line from this corner and standing line on the top. Same with this. Slanting line from one corner, slanting line from second one, slanting line from third one, slanting line from fourth one, and standing line in the top. Now at the ending point of each line, we will be drawing two slanting lines like this so that we can fill them with a marker, black marker, and they will look like triangles. Draw two slanting lines on the ending point of each line so that you can make them triangle shape. And is it looking like a football now? Let's complete another one as well. Two slanting lines and fill them for making a triangular shape. It's our time to take the oval papers now, orange oval papers, and we will draw a curvy line leaving one finger gap or less than one finger gap. We will be drawing one curvy line in the top, one curvy line on one oval, in the bottom, one curvy line on the oval, in the bottom. Then rotate it and same kind of curvy line in their top. So your oval paper will look like this. On the both oval papers, on the right side, we will draw one curvy line like this so that your rugby ball will look like this. Paste the another one on top of it. Now replace your finger. Pull out your finger and insert a pencil inside so that you will be able to get the proper gap. Press, 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 all around, press, press, press. Your rugby ball pencil topper is ready. You can pull out your pencil. Now we will be following the same step with the football one. Any one football paper or circular paper. Turn it around and place it like this. Put your finger, place your finger bottom and then spread the glue and then paste the another one from the top first. Replace your finger with a pencil and then press, press, press. Pencil toppers are ready.
Did you enjoy that, my dear children? I am sure you did. Yes, my dear parents. We have many such interesting activities for our children under the EduMax learning program. In the lockdown, when the schools were closed, children could not go to schools. and the schools had the expertise to educate the children. Realizing the fact that we have to continue with the learning, we created this amazing program which makes our children learn by getting minimum strain on their eyes and maximum interaction. It's a full day program for our children to continue with this learning. Just to have an idea how much fun and learning is happening in these classes, do enroll your child for the free trial version of it by calling us upon the numbers that we have shared with you. Yes, my dear parents, believe me, children will love this program as much as we have loved creating it. Do enroll for the free trial version of it and you will not regret it. Believe me. All the best. Thank you.